Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 18RR. This camper comes in at 24 foot, tongue to bumper, and weighs just at 4,800 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. Two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. It also comes with the hard shell cover here. Behind that is your battery tray, where you can set your batteries there where the wire is already ran. We have your curve radius front end with the diamond plate rock guard up front, magnetic door catch, lots of storage up front here. Spare tire and power cord is included. This will have electric jacks on it, and how that works, there's going to be a switch located underneath the camper. You hold that down and one jack will come down first, then the other one will come down, and they will equal out in pressure. There's also an LP quick disconnect up there, so if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that along, plug it in, and use the gas on the camper to run that. Down here, we have this wolf head emblem. It's a holographic light, so at nighttime, you can see that really shines and pops and sets you apart from everybody else at the campground. Blue LED accent light underneath, as well as the speakers that light up blue. We have your sturdy steps going in, where each leg is adjustable. Oversized grab handle. Friction hinge entrance door. It is the black tempered glass door with an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Outside entertainment center with your connections, TV bracket, and again with the speakers here. Since it's a toy hauler, we are going to have these vents on the side for cross ventilation. That way if you have anything with fumes inside, you can keep it vented out as you're going down the road. Back here we have the center cap popped off. These are the quick, easy loop axles. All four wheels will have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, this will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off to your next destination. This camper does have the adventure package on it, which is going to have this diamond plate metal here at the bottom, as well as the aggressive off-road tires there. And towards the back, we have your leash latch, so the furry family members can tag along. Again, with another vent here. Moving all the way around the back side here, we have your patio system with the porch enclosure already up. It will have a screen wall that comes down to keep the bugs out, and nice bright LED light, and a backup camera that is included. Up top, it is prepped for a ladder. You can buy a telescoping ladder to put up there for maintenance purposes. Down below, we are going to have a sewer hose holder, so you can store your sewer hose when traveling or not in use. Back here, we have your furnace vent, range vent up towards the top there. This is a 30 amp unit, and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Right here, we have a light right by your connections, so that way if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on here. Cable satellite connection, so if the campground offers that, you could tap into it and use it. Outside shower with hot and cold water. It's got a coil hose sprayer in here. We also have your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you simply hook up your water hose and that'll blast out the tank for you. We have your water connections here. We have your fresh water on the left, so if you're dry camping or boondocking, you'll fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. And then we have your city water connection, where you will hook up your water hose and that will pressurize the lines for you. Down below, we have the black handle for your black tank and gray handle for your gray tank. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater, which is gas only, but it's only using gas when you're running hot water. And that'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 18RR. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, we have this another light shining down here that says Grey Wolf on it. Bedroom up front, bathroom directly across inside when you walk in. Nice open floor plan here. Large windows on the side. And we'll get started right inside here. This is an inside look at one of those vents for the ventilation that you can open for fumes. We have your main control panel, where you can check your tanks, turn on your water pump. This also is going to have the 12-volt heating pads on your tanks. Turn your lights on and off, and run that power awning in and out as well. Again, with the two large windows here, We have your dinette area, which can also fold up to get out of the way if you're going to be bringing toys in here. Or you can take the back off and use that as another sleeping area. The screen wall inside. A view of the porch down here as well. Off to the right-hand side, we have your radio, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible, so you can sync your phone to it and play music that way. Overhead cabinets with the decorative fronts. We have this large kitchen window, 3-burner stove that also has a cover that can lift up, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking. Farmhouse style sink. We have the pull-out sprayer, the high-rise faucet here. Couple 110 outlets off to the left-hand side. Storage down below. And then we also have your microwave down here, which also doubles as an air fryer, and your furnace underneath that. Over here underneath the refrigerator, we're going to have your breakers and fuses on the left-hand side. That red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that will kill all 12-volt power to your battery, a voltmeter, and then also a furnace vent. We have the 12-volt refrigerator. Since we have the juice pack option on here, there is a 100-watt solar panel on the roof. So this will allow you to run your refrigerator even when you are not plugged in. And as you can see, these are much deeper than the older gas electric style. Right beside that, we have your pantry. Lots of shelves in here. As you can see, it goes all the way down. Great storage. On our way back to the bathroom, we're going to have your carbon monoxide detector down below. Digital thermostat that will run your air conditioner and furnace. And then your TV hookup here with the connections up on the ceiling. Moving into the bathroom, we're going to have this large exhaust fan in here. That is a multi-speed vent fan. Large medicine cabinet. Great counter space. On the wall back there is a light switch, and then also a thermostat for your on-demand water heater. Storage down below, 110 outlet. And in the shower area, we have built-in shelves on the surround. Skylight up top. And then, of course, the shower head with your hot and cold down below. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom area. That is also going to offer another TV hookup here. Hanging storage off to the right-hand side. We have a 110 outlet, and there's also 12-volt charge ports on the side of that charger. On the right-hand side, you can buy a Bluetooth speaker and dock it right there to keep it charged. Storage up top. Extra light over there. Underneath that light is a 110 inverted outlet. So as you're traveling down the road, that 110 will be hot, even if you only have 12-volt power where you're not plugged in anywhere. So another unique feature here with the Grey Wolf. And of course your queen size bed here with the curtain to pull for privacy. And that will conclude the walkthrough of our Grey Wolf 18RR. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.